Are you looking for the best pancake batter dispensers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best pancake batter dispensers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. KP Kitchen Pancake Batter Dispenser. The see-through pancake batter dispenser makes monitoring of the batter easier. However, the measuring label on the plastic container is also helpful for users. Moreover, the handy pancake battery dispenser holds up to 4 cups of batter. However, all parts of this container are of food-grade, BPA-free plastic material. You can dispense different batters, like muffins, cookies, and more. The wide mouth opening makes filling trouble-free. Furthermore, the pulley handle makes dispensing quick and easy. The drip-resistant dispensing system helps you to make perfect pancakes every time. However, the flexible dispensing valve dispenses batters of different consistencies. The pull trigger handle lets you control the dispensing trouble-free. Number 4. Chef Buddy Batter Dispenser. The complication-free design makes this pancake batter dispenser quite functional. This specialty appliance also holds 900 milliliters of batter. Moreover, the portion-controlled spring-loaded mechanism makes the handle easily operable. The spring-loaded trigger increases the functionality of this dispenser. However, the drip-free nozzle dispenses the right amount of mixture every time. The wide mouth opening also helps you to refill the mixture accordingly. Furthermore, the snap-on lid keeps the batter secured inside the container. Nevertheless, this specialty appliance holds batters for cupcakes, muffins, pancakes, and more. This baking tool offers hassle-free cleaning and maintenance. The plastic container has the construction of toxin-free plastic material. Number 3. MyLife Unit Pancake Batter Dispenser. This pancake batter dispenser comes along with removable octopus balls. Hence, you can use this dispenser to make perfect takoyaki balls. The stainless steel material construction makes this baking tool food-grade and durable. Moreover, this dispenser comes with a detachable handle for convenient storage. You can dispenser mixtures for waffles, cupcakes, and more. The baking tool is also dishwasher safe. The handle helps you to operate the portion of dispensed batter every time. You can use this batter dispenser for dispensing pizza sauces as well. Furthermore, the stainless steel dispenser is never prone to rusting and corroding. However, the eco-friendly construction makes this appliance safe for your health. Number 2. Chicago Metallic Batter Dispenser. The container has the construction of high-quality plastic material. You can also use your dishwasher to keep this appliance clean. Moreover, you can use this multi-purpose tool for mixing and dispensing batters. This pancake batter dispenser comes along with a quick-release design. Hence, this tool makes refilling easier for homemakers. The flexible valve lets you prepare batters for cupcakes, loaf, and more. Furthermore, the appliance includes an instant automatic shut-off function. The transparent container can hold up to 4 cups of batters. Nevertheless, the drip-free valve helps you to keep your countertop mess-free. You can control the batter portions with ease. Number 1. OXO Precision Batter Dispenser. This pancake batter dispenser prepares 4 cups of batter at once. The specialty appliance also comes along with a rapid-release squeeze handle. Moreover, the lid works as a drip tray throughout the squeezing process. The wide opening mouth reduces the risks of spilling while refilling mixtures. You can use this tool for preparing the batter for crepes and more. The detachable valve also makes cleaning easier for homemakers. Furthermore, the shut-off function of this valve instantly cuts the supply of batter. Hence, you can keep your countertop free of messes. The measuring labels help you to refill the container. All parts of this appliance are of BPA-free plastic. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.